Okay, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put a projector screen all the way across here. So it'll be about 100-inch projector screen. I'm hoping y'all can see. I'm not getting very good at this yet. I'm getting there slowly. So I got this. The little tabs came with it. Just hook it here. Hook it here. And I think I've hung it up wrong. Hold on. I might be the wrong end. Yep. Wrong end. Hook it to here. And here. And over here. Spread it out. We got a giant projector for our screen. Sit over here and watch movies. Not too bad, ideal. Sit back on the bed and watch some scary camping movies.